Hello everyone, this is my new YouTube channel and in this I will be covering the whole UPSC Civil Service examination syllabus in a most simple way. And after watching my videos, you will be able to understand the very basic concepts and you can take any other textbook for further reference and you will easily understand it. So, understanding the base of a subject is a key to build up further above. That's why basic concepts will be covered in the initial videos. That is, I will focus more on basics and also prelims examination point of view in the starting classes. And in the later stage of classes, balance topics in the syllabus and its detailed analysis, that is mainly in mains point of view, will be discussed in detailed and simple way. Current affairs relevant to the syllabus will also be covered in the later videos. These classes will be very useful to all, but especially for people who does self-study for these kind of examinations, because they will get the basics of subjects without attending any coaching classes. And when I teach a particular topic, I will also cover the previous year questions covered in prelims as well as mains examination. After watching a video in my YouTube channel, for example, if it is polity, you should immediately read that particular chapter or topic from any textbook like Lakshmikant or D.D. Basu or whichever textbook you are following. This will help you to understand the chapter very thoroughly so that it will be difficult for you to forget what you have studied. Benefits of reading a textbook after watching a video in my YouTube channel. First one, it helps to clear the concepts more. Next, it helps in memorizing the topics properly and will enter the long-term memory also if revision is done accordingly. Next, it helps to create a base of that topic so that more and more details from different sources regarding the topic can be easily read and understand. Next, about the study plan, I will be teaching the basics of all subjects in the UPSC Civil Service examination syllabus like polity, history, geography, economics, environment, science and tech, etc. in a most simple way along with diagrams, charts, etc. You can use these videos in preparing other state administrative examinations as well as other competitive exams, as these are the basic things to cover. Regarding plan of teaching, I will teach different subject each day in a week. If I teach polity, I will be taking topics from Lakshmikant or D.D. Basu or any other textbooks. But finally, my aim is to cover the all UPSC syllabus itself. So you will easily connect the things I taught you when you read these kind of books. If it is history, I may take topics from Spectrum or Bipin Chandra or any other book. But finally, it will be covering all syllabus. Same thing with economics also. Topics will be taken from Shankar Ganesh Karpaya or Ramesh Singh or any other books related to economics. But regarding economics, questions will be mostly coming from basics and also related to current affairs. Especially in economics, understanding the basic concepts is crucial in understanding bigger levels of economics. So, I will be teaching you basics in a simple way with examples. Next, about geography, I will cover the syllabus with the help of globe, maps, etc. In geography also, understanding basic concepts is very important. We should have a basic understanding about the location of oceans, then countries, then other important physical features, etc. Also, we should have a good concept clarity about different natural phenomena like cyclones, then earthquakes, then volcanoes, etc. Regarding environment, science and tech, etc., I will be teaching all needed things for examination. Then I will be covering main syllabus like GS1, GS2, GS3 and then also current affairs related to it in a more simple method by relating or connecting it with the traditional topics and also basic concepts. Along with these things, I will be posting many motivational and inspirational videos needed to get through this examination, as it is the game of the mind which is primarily important in tackling these type of competitive examinations. So, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications about my daily classes. So, It is never and never late to gain new knowledge and to become successful in life. Thank you.